Tonight, I will be talking about the Solidray's utilities. So, Solidray have 6 utilities: Solid Social Web3, NFT Marketplace, Ray Wallet, Decentralized Exchange, Centralized Exchange, and Launchpad. And i-discuss natin yung lahat. So, let's explore how those utilities will become the solution and how they will make our lives much more easier, and how those platforms or utilities will be the ways for our money to grow in the future. So let me give you first an overview of my presentation. We will have an introduction of Solidray, second audit and KYC by solidproof.io, Solid Social Web3, social media, NFT marketplace, decentralized exchange, centralized exchange, tokenomics, roadmap of the project, the team, strategic partnership, and lastly, the contacts. So let's begin. You can see on the screen the Certificate of Incorporation of Solidray. Solidray is a UK-based registered company. We know that para sa mga bago dito, you'll ask first about legal ba ang Solidray. So here is one of the proof, and the team are actually working on the licensing of Solidray around the globe. And it was announced last Zoom presentation na registered na tayo sa Dubai, and expect guys na tuloy-tuloy na yun. So let's move on to the introduction. So I will give just 3 key points sa introduction. First is the leading ecosystem. Second, Solidray will create a safe place. Third is transparent user interface. So ano tong Solidray seeks to become the leading ecosystem? Ibig sabihin, when we talk about Web3 social media, multi-chain wallet with dApp, NFT marketplace, decentralized exchange, and launchpad, wala nang ibang maiisip ang mga tao kundi Solidray agad. So that is the goal of Solidray. Just like sabi ko nga lagi kong ini-example, when we are asked about crypto, kahit yung may limited or maliit lang na alam sa crypto, ang isasagot agad is Bitcoin. So soon, when someone asks about social media, Web3, Solidray agad yung maiisip ng mga tao. So that is the first. Second, safe place. So Solidray will become a platform for a safe place to communicate and use cryptocurrencies, and will meet most of the needs of the crypto community. And last key points is the transparent user interface. So hindi lang gagawa ang Solidray ng safe space for the blockchain community, but also it will make the user interface of the platforms simple and comfortable. So when we interact to each other, just like sa Solid Social, hindi tayo ma-overwhelm, and using the platforms will be easier for us. So that 3 defined what is Solidray. So the next is the mission. Yun na nga nasabi ko kanina, to create a safe space for the blockchain community. So Solidray projects is already audited by solidproof.io. Solidproof.io is one of the auditing company in the crypto world. You can visit their website for more information para malaman nyo kung ano ang ginagawa ng solidproof.io. So the purpose of auditing and the KYC is to create reliability and credibility, to build trust with our community. Importante yun sa isang project. So nakalagay sa report that the auditors fully confirms the reliability of Solidray and the technical compliance of its blockchain with the requirements of a secure crypto markets. So attached to the audit is the KYC. KYC to make sure that the project project's purpose and goal are not for these illegal transactions, not for fraud, money laundering, terrorist financing. So therefore, the team, including the CEO, the COO, everyone behind this project actually submitted identification documents for the KYC requirement. And makikita nyo sa screen the one-on-one interview for the KYC and audit of Solidray project by solidproof.io CEO Miles Nielsen and our COO Sir Elmer Soraska. So let's move on. Here is the most awaited utility of Solidray, the Solid Social Web3. But ikakat ko muna yan because this will be discussed by my co-educator after my presentation, my separate presentation po ito. So mag-move on muna tayo sa second platform ng Solidray, the NFT marketplace. The NFT marketplace, because of the idea that we normal people can own something on the internet, paintings, shoes, songs, even real estates, nag-boom ang NFT marketplaces. Meron ng existing NFT marketplaces, OpenSea, Axie, Larva Labs, and many more. And soon, Solidray will have its own NFT marketplace where people can trade their digitalized assets for the price they want. So Solidray's NFT marketplace will be a peer-to-peer platform, enabling users to store and trade non-fungible tokens. It will also allow artists to mint, display, and auction their own work to foster an environment for users to have authorization for their works. So may process na tinatawag na tokenizing. So the real assets na nakikita natin dito sa real world will be tokenized. So it will be easier to sell and buy and resell such assets more efficiently and minimizing the risk of fraud. So an example of NFT digital assets are this digital art, $69 million worth. So yan yung mga makikita nyo sa NFT marketplaces. So let's move on to the next utility of Solidray, the Solidray Ray wallet. So since Solidray aims to meet the most of the needs ng crypto community, gumawa ito ng Ray wallet. So the Ray wallet is a compatible multi-chain decentralized wallet with NFT storage that will allow investors track cross-chain investments all in one platform. There will be a staking and swapping system that will be developed on Ethereum virtual machine. So kung hindi pa kayo familiar sa mga wallet, the same lang ito sa Trust wallet, yung Ray wallet. But then sabi ko nga nung last presentation ko, tangkilikin natin ang sariling atin. So we will have a Ray wallet. We don't need to use other wallets. We can use Ray wallet instead because it will every transaction sa Ray wallet magre-reflect yan sa liquidity ng company and makaka-avail tayo, magre-reflect din yun sa ating mga users. So the next is the decentralized exchange. One of the crypto markets yung decentralized exchange, meaning you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies here. Kasama nito or laging kino-compare ito with centralized exchange because they have actually they are similar nga na crypto markets, but actually depende yan sa trader. So they have actually both advantages and disadvantages. So sabi ko nga, depende yan sa'yo na user or trader kung ano yung gagamitin mo. So in decentralized exchange, if you want to buy or sell at lower fees, and mas gusto mo na you have total control of your funds, go with decentralized exchange. Examples are PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and ApeSwap. And Solidray will also have its own soon. So, naintindihan ba ang decentralized exchange? Because before we move on to the utility ng Solidray, let me show you first the we have the benefits of using decentralized platform. We have 5. The first, the privacy. Second, no KYC or AML or ID verification. Third, zero regulatory involvement. Fourth, all tokens can be traded. And lastly, no data loss. So, ito na yung benefits ng SRT holders. So the benefits of SRT holders lies with these two processes, the token burning and the token staking. In the case of Solidray, meron itong revenue from Solid Social, and it will be used to buy back and burn the SRT in order to create scarcity. Bakit kailangan ng scarcity? Because kapag lumiit yung supply ng isang token, lalaki yung presyo nito. The result will increase in the value or price of the token. Therefore, sinong magbe-benefit? Of course, we the SRT holders. The second is the token staking. Token staking is the process of locking in our tokens for a period of time to earn rewards. Para mas maintindihan natin, actually, the same concept ito with saving money to a bank. But then, may differences nga, di ba? Sa bank, ang ginagamit natin is fiat money, and sa staking, cryptocurrencies. While sa bank, ang nakukuha nating reward is interest, which is very, very, very minimal. And sa staking, rewards na mas malaki compare naman sa interest ng bangko. So those processes will result to the benefits of SRT holders. So next is the launchpad or the crypto incubators. Meron ng mga existing launchpads actually. BSC Pod, Bull Perks, Trust Swap, Duck Starter, We Starter. So next time you'll search launchpad on the Google, kasali na yan yung Solidray's launchpad. So ano ba tong platform na to? Dito actually nag-grow ang mga blockchain-related projects. So launchpads are actually developed to lessen the risk of buying or investing in a project that is actually a scam or hindi ito magkaka-value in the future or doesn't have sustainability. So kung gusto natin na bumili ng token or even invest in the project, we can check on the Solidray's launchpad because the team of experts will carefully select and vet DeFi projects, putting them through stringent vetting processes before the Solidray promote them and greater sense of security and a better chance to succeed. Plus, other than that, we will have the first look access to those promising new crypto tokens. So that is Launchpad. So this will be the last utility that I will be discussing, the centralized exchange. Di ba sabi ko kanina, one of the crypto markets din ito. You can buy or sell cryptos here just like in decentralized exchange. So if you are a trader and gusto mo, you buy or sell at ease, ibig sabihin mas madali, mas comfortable ka, choose centralized exchange instead of decentralized exchange. And if uncomfortable ka with being in control of your wallet, dahil nasanay ka na siguro sa banking system and medyo di ka pa nakaka-move on doon, best option mo talaga is centralized exchange. An example at pinakasikat ngayon is yung Binance. So see how Solidray wants to provide its holders and users more options to trade, to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Hindi lang isang platform ang ino-offer nito, kundi dalawa, the centralized and decentralized exchange. So here is a sneak peek of Solidray centralized exchange. So it will be launched soon after it will deploy on solidray.io after the ICO. So let's move on to the project's roadmap. The Solidray's project's roadmap has 4 phases. Merong phase 1, kung saan mangyayari yung solid social light, launch, develop website, Telegram and social media communities, apply for audit, ICO sales, design marketing strategy and identify influencers, implement Facebook or Instagram ads. After that, we will move on to the phase 2, the Solid Social Lite mobile app launch sa iOS and Android, launch on PancakeSwap, mag-a-apply for CoinGecko, mag-a-apply for CMC, apply for Trust Wallet or MetaMask logo, list on the first centralized exchange Hotbit, Certic audit, identify potential celebrity endorsements and partnerships, generate global press releases about Solidray, decentralized exchange and NFT marketplace development, and we will move on to the phase 3. The Ray wallet development, FTX exchange listing, paid media advertising banners, more centralized exchange listing, rapidly increase trading volume, PR campaign on our utilities, solid social Web3 development, introduce solid social competition for big prizes, and we will move on to the last phase kung saan more marketing of Solidray and its utilities, increase outreach by introducing more large social media influencers, hold more webinars on our platform with big influencers around the globe, centralized exchange development, Solidray lottery development, and Solidray Foundation creation for global causes. So these are the people behind the promising Solidray project. So actually, you can visit the website para mas, kung gusto niyo mas makilala niyo pa sila, they are on the website, yung LinkedIn, Facebook nila. So we have the CEO of Solidray, Sir Evans Joseph, the CEO, Sir Elmer Suraska, and our global ambassadors, Coach Roy Alan Incherto, and the marketing representative ng Hawaii, together with marketing representative ng Philippines. Sila yung organizer actually ng Zoom presentation na to, Zoom meeting na to, Ma'am Melanie Salgado and Sir Sinando Magsino. And the rest, you can check them on the website. So Solidray is currently partnered with these following companies: Hybrid Tech, 22, Platinum, BR Group, and the rest. So if you have questions, clarifications that nahihiya kayong i-address dito sa Zoom presentation na to, or nakalimutan nyo lang, you can simply contact the Solidray social media accounts sa Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, and the team are very responsive naman. So I think that's all. So I hope na master nyo na ang utilities ng Solidray.